Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Family Dollar haul for you guys. I do not go often, but usually when I do, I find lots of awesome new items. We also got a WWE wrestling documentary, The Most Powerful Families in Wrestling. We watched it last night. It was over 2 hours long. It was really good. We kind of collect WWE DVDs. We have a ton of them, like 2 full shelves. Doesn't sound like much, but the shelves are double layered. And yes, the neighbor has decided to mow again while I'm filming. Anyways, let's get on with this haul. That was $2. Connor got a Ben 10 little figure set, kind of like 2 little tiny figures. And he also got some of that joke putty, the kind that, you know, when you push it down in the jar, it sounds like a fart, you know, tee-hee-hee boy thing. But anyways, he loves that stuff, and he got that. So that stuff is already out of my hands. Also, a pack of lighters, already out of my hands. But this is the stuff I have left to share with you guys. So I got an original chamois, and I got the pink one. They had pink and yellow, blue, green. Might have had maybe one other color, but I can't remember. Anyways, I just got the pink. Now, I got these washcloths and towel. Oh my goodness, isn't this just the beautiful shade? I love coral shades. I love peachy shades. These are right up my alley. But I got a 2-pack of washcloths in this shade, and they were $1. They are kind of thin, but I mean, honestly, they're just so beautiful. I don't care. Here's the towel. Also, it is kind of thin, but I like wrapping my hair in thin towels and thinner towels, so this will be perfect for what I need it for. And it was $2.50. Yes, I did get the swimming trunks. Connor needed a new pair anyways. He had a pair of Batmans that were size 4s, but honestly he could have used a size 5, maybe upwards of 6 in swimming trunks. So just so happened to be looking at them yesterday, and they were like $8 and $9, and I was like, you know, I'll just wait till Walmart. And then I come across a clearance rack, and these were $8, marked down to $6, and I got them for $4. There was a Batman kind of design and the turtles, and Connor wanted the turtles. I'm shocked too, because he is a die-hard Batman fan. But he does like the turtles too. Probably the colorfulness of them, to be honest, because the Batman was like black. So yeah. Now, oh, and these are size 7, so I might have to tack the waist a little bit, but you know, who cares? They were $4. For myself, I got some plus size shorts. These are very nice, soft material. I guess it might be like a knit kind of material. I don't know. Anyways, look how gorgeous these are. Both pairs were $9. So this has like little lacy stuff going on at the bottom of the leg there. It's up the side there. I just adore this white and black print. They had tons of white, black shirts, different color shirts to pair with all kinds of shorts that they had there. I didn't pick up any shirts. I don't need any shirts. Unless I found like some really awesome, you know, deal on some cute shirts maybe. But for right now, I was just into these bottoms. Okay, these shorts here are unlike any I've ever seen. I don't even know how to describe them. They're made out of the same soft, super light material. Not like light in the way of like, oh, you can see through the material and things like that. I mean, just they're very comfortable. They're very comfortable. I already tried this pair on. I know the other pair is gonna fit. I got this pair in a 2X and I had to take this pair in a 3X. But I thought that if these were a little loose, I'd tack them. You know, I just fix them. So, anyways, this pair is like has like a Mandela print on it with some paisley stuff going on. Very beautiful. I have several peach tops to pair with this. I thought that I would maybe pair it with a plain white shirt as well. Same with that one. And so what makes this one kind of different is not only is this the shorts, but it has this like lip of fabric. Oh, both pairs have this really cute like tieable bow there. It has nothing as in like drawing them in or anything like that. It's purely decoration kind of thing. But these shorts have this like flap here of fabric, and it's very flattering, I feel. And it comes down slightly longer than the shorts do. Slightly longer. And yeah, these are just beautiful on. So comfortable, you guys. And they were also $9. They're from like let's see, Crispin Nicole. They also had a black pair with like beautiful flowers on them. I almost got those too. They also had a dusty pinky nude short with some roses on it. But honestly, like, I really loved them, but I knew that those would be the two that I wouldn't wear as much as these two pairs, because they did remind me of like a curtain print or something. They were very pretty, but I don't know how much I would have wore them. Now on to the more fun stuff. Also, Connor got a box of Poppets. Yes, another box of those. He loves them. I think next time I go to the DollarTree, I'm just gonna buy like 5 of them and like put them back before, you know, 4th of July, because once 4th of July is over, you can't really get them, and he just loves them that much. I did find one candle. They had some really cool candles there that said like happy birthday, congratulations, best mother ever, best grandmother ever, like gift candles. They're $5. They look like the Walnut Avenue candles or Bath and Body Works even. They were $5, and they smelled like the most dreamy vanilla ever, or a cupcake or something like that. They smell amazing. I almost bit the dust and grabbed one, but I was like, I'll wait because I have a lot of candles at home to go through. But I did pick up this Betty Crocker one. First time I've ever seen salted caramel brownie. This one smells divine as well, and it was only $1. I can only imagine the throw on that's gonna be pretty amazing. Once again, sorry about the buzzing in the background. The lawnmower, yeah. Anyway, so another clearance item I found, and I've been needing a daily moisturizer, just kind of lightweight and for everyday use kind of moisturizer. This was on the clearance rack. I use a thicker one at night, so I just was looking for something, you know, daily, kind of light. So this is their brand of the oil-free moisturizer for daily use compared to Neutrogena, sensitive skin stuff here. I got it for $1.50. I don't know how much this regularly is there, but I thought that was a really good deal. You get 4 fluid ounces, and it's in a pump bottle, so I can't wait to start trying that. Now, before we get into all the awesome new LACOLORS stuff I found at the Family Dollar, that is, a lot of it is new to me, new to my stores, and yes, I'm so excited. I'm doing a get ready with me today using these items and everything. But before we get in that, I did find they had like 2 new makeup brands I'd actually never heard of at the Family Dollar. And I looked at one of the lines for a really long time and almost got some eyeshadows, but you guys know what? Different packaging, but it is the Broadway eyeshadows. It's the same thing as that Metro one and the like nudie one. The one, I cannot remember what it's called. I think it's called Aeropostale. Anyways, regardless of all that, it looked very similar to that one and very similar to Metro, and I know that about the Metro one because that's my favorite one, so I declined picking those up. They had a ton of other stuff in that makeup line, but honestly it was very similar to Broadway Cosmetics, so I believe just repackaged, kind of vamped up and with their name on it, because lots of companies do that, you know. Similar prices as Broadway as well, so yeah, I passed on all that stuff. Hope you guys don't mind the chattiness. I enjoy talking to you guys. Also, they had this brand. I've never seen this brand before. BYS. I don't know. This was $2, and this is their Neons eyeshadow. It's actually really pretty. I did swatch these. They're pigmented. They're not as neon as you would probably hope, but they are $2. They're kind of chalky. So whatever, but we're gonna make some looks with this regardless. For $2, I don't know, I just couldn't leave this behind. I went back twice and I decided just to grab it. So I'm looking forward. Also in this line, they had tons and tons of eyeshadows. They had like a strobing highlighter palette. I almost got that. It was $8. Moving on to the LAColors stuff I found. Now, some of this is not new, but new to me. Does that make sense? I just haven't been able to find this stuff in my stores or anything. Now, a couple of items I think are brand new. They had one of the best LAColors displays I have ever seen in a store, and it was completely stocked. They had new concealers, foundations, like the higher end foundations of their line. Their pressed powders. They had the blush palette, the I Love Makeup blush palette. They had the dark tone contour palette. They had so much. They had eyeshadow palettes I'd never seen or heard of. So yes, let's jump into this. First, I did get this LAColors makeup blending sponge. This was $2 and I was a little bit, I don't know, but I did pick up a new foundation to go with it, so we shall see. Also, you guys know we'll probably be reviewing all these items, so stay tuned for that video as well as the tutorials. This is the foundation I picked up. This is in a glass bottle. Since when did LAColors start having their stuff in glass bottles? I don't know, but I like it. This is almost 1 fluid ounce. This is their Radiant foundation. Of course, I had to take the lightest shade, and that is Ivory. They have about 6 shades, I believe. Maybe 7, 8, I don't know, shades to choose from. But I'm thinking it was more like 6. This is a Skin Nourishing Long Wear Liquid Makeup. I don't know about anything about that. It is in a pop bottle, you can or pump bottle. It is in a pump bottle, as you can tell. This is very nice, high-end looking packaging. LAColors, I'm loving it. And they had Radiant, they had a matte, they had one of them, I think it was called Flawless or something like that. I think that's the one that I actually wanted to get, but they didn't have my shade. But I almost picked up the concealer too, but I could tell the concealer was probably going to be, the lightest shade is going to be dark on me too. So I stuck with the foundation. I think that will more than work for me. I haven't been able to use an LAColors foundation in years and never could find a good shade. Next, I don't think I even knew about they had new nail polishes out either. And these are the Mermaid Magic polishes. These are $2. Oh, the foundation was $4. They had, I don't know, probably 8 different shades to choose from in the Mermaid Magic. And this is the shade that I chose. It reminds me of Jessie's Girl polish in Glee. I believe that was a limited edition nail polish. I'm not entirely sure, from way back when, so if you remember that polish, you know what I'm talking about. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's this like goldeny teal, and it was just absolutely beautiful. I used to have that polish. Honestly, don't know what happened to it. So when I saw this, it reminded me of that nail polish, and I picked it up. Now you can see it's a little bit sheer, but I'll build it up. That's okay. Look at the packaging on this thing. Oh yes. Feast your eyes upon that. Absolutely gorgeous. They all look like this. They had some very sheer shades in this line. Therefore, I wasn't very impressed, but this one I am excited to own. And they had like a darker mauvey kind of pink, and they're supposed to have like shifting properties. They looked okay. Nothing like crazy. They had a foil line as well. I was pretty intrigued by that, but I literally have so many similar shades to that line that I didn't pick up any in that. So next, I got this new LACOLORS setting spray. I think this was $3. It says it's lightweight, non-sticky. We'll be the judge of that. And it says it helps to extend makeup wear. So of course that's what it's supposed to do. But I'm really excited. You only get 1 fluid ounce though for $3, which is honestly not really the greatest deal when you can get a bottle twice this size. Maybe 2.5 times this size from Hard Candy for $6. So, you know, but still, I wanted to try some new LACOLORS stuff. When I saw this stuff, I couldn't help myself. I've been looking for these forever, and I finally came across them. They had all of them, but I decided because I've never tried them before, I only want to try one now. You guys know me. I will buy a few shades of something or one of something to test it. I won't buy out a whole line because there's a chance I won't like it and I'll end up regretting getting all of that. I only tried one of the LACOLORS Iced Pigment Powder. This is a loose metallic powder. They had a gold, a silver, like a burgundy, like a chocolate brown. Actually no, it was more like a chocolate brown. They had a purple one. They had this one. I want to say maybe one more shade. They also had new eyeshadow pencils too, you guys. There was only like 3 of them new, but I skipped on those too because I had similar shades in my collection. And I can't even tell you guys, like, they have so much stuff. Anyways, this one is called Twinkle, and it's the teal one. So I decided that we could do some very awesome looks, cut creases or something with this shade here. It's very summery. This could be lower lash line, inner corner, whatever you want to do with it, baby. Because this is pretty awesome. I'm excited to try that. It was $2. I just didn't know how much I was going to like it, how metallic it was going to be, blah, 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 blah. Last and final item that I have here, and I was most excited for this item because you all know that I love my eyeshadows and lipsticks. Those are my 2 favorite makeup items. Yes, so I found this awesome new eyeshadow palette. I don't know how long these have been out, but this is new to me. LACOLORS Frisky eyeshadow palette. They had a nude palette, which I cannot remember. I think it was called Flirty, maybe? No, I don't know actually what that one was called. The pinkish one was called Flirty. This one's called Frisky. The eyeshadows are not individually named if you're wondering about that. But look at this. It was $5, and the packaging reminds me of the L'Oreal packaging for their nude palette. But this is kind of bigger and thicker, but this is what it reminds me of. It comes with 2 applicators. So that one's a brush down there. This one's a sponge tip. You get a mirror, a slender one. And here's all your shades. So I'm just so drawn to the beautiful peaches and coral shades, the beautiful burgundy there. I just love it. All these shades are really pigmented. They are a little bit powdery, but once again, it doesn't matter. They're good quality. They're super soft, and I can tell they're going to blend phenomenally by the way that some of them are really kind of silky to the touch, even though they're powdery. And this one here has gold glitter in it, this peachy shade. Oh my. I just loved it. Just so beautiful. Look at that, so pretty. I was so excited to start using this palette for tutorials. But yes, that's all for my Family Dollar haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for reviews and tutorials using all my new makeup items. I am so excited to share them with you.